Have you ever feared being financially unstable? Imagine mastering money management at just 21 years old. Today, we're sharing 10 finance tips every 21-year-old should know. Let's dive into a future where financial worries are a thing of the past. Tip number 1. Create a budget and track your expenses. Start by noting down every dollar you spend. It's not just about saving, it's about understanding where your money goes. Tip number 2. Set up an emergency fund. Why? Because surprises like your car breaking down or your phone falling into the toilet shouldn't bankrupt you. Ideally, aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. Tip number 3. Understand the power of compound interest. Did you know that Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world? Start investing early, even small amounts, and watch your money grow exponentially over time. Tip number 4. Avoid debt like it's the plague, especially credit card debt. High interest rates can eat up your future savings. Learn to live within your means and save for big purchases. Tip number 5. Build a good credit score. This can sound boring, but trust me, a good credit score can open doors, like getting a mortgage for your dream home without overpaying on interest. Tip number 6. Educate yourself financially. Read books, watch videos, or take courses. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Tip number 7. Start a side hustle. Notice how every successful millionaire has multiple streams of income? Well, your 20s are the perfect time to explore and see what additional income you can generate. Tip number 8. Use technology to your advantage. There's an app for everything. Budgeting, investing, saving. You're probably on your phone right now. Why not make it a tool that helps increase your wealth? Tip number 9. Regularly check your financial progress. Set goals, and once in a while, review them. Are you closer to being the financial guru of your dreams? Tip number 10. Learn to negotiate. Whether it's a salary offer or a car purchase, the art of negotiation can save you thousands. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. And remember, understanding your finances also involves understanding aspects of your health that can impact your financial stability. Wondering how? Check out our next video, How Blood Pressure Works, to connect the dots between health and wealth. Don't miss out on becoming your best self. Subscribe to the DriveBird Network. Leave a comment below on which finance tip you'll implement first. Get daily videos that turn knowledge into power.